Today I'm actually making a Thai recipe. I'm going to actually make it with shrimp. You can do exactly the same as what I'm doing, but you could do it with chicken, tofu, beef, however you decide. I have lots of ingredients chopped up and to get through this morning. So I have some shrimp here that I'm going to cook first. You're going to cook the shrimp with nothing, just a really hot oil. They use peanut oil or avocado oil, but just a really high heat. And as you see, I have my wok here. I'm going to stick my shrimp in. I cleaned it with lemon and cleaned the veins out of it, and it's nice and clean. So we're going to cook that on either side for about 2 or 3 minutes. It should reach a temperature of 145. When the shrimp is done, it almost goes into a nice, like, soft C shape, like a pink. So we're going to let that cook. While that's cooking, I'm going to prep the sauce for this. This is my sauce. It's called Drunken Noodles. So I'm going to do, this is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is only half a teaspoon because I can never find the right measurement in my house.
You just make it work.
I make it work. So we're going to do...
You know that they make vegan oyster sauce too? Isn't that wild?
Oh, nice.
I think it's hard to find, but it's out there.
You could definitely use just your soy sauce if you have to.
Yeah, totally.
Cut something out.
Totally.
Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So 1, 2. This is half a teaspoon, as I said, so we need 2 of them. Then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. 1. We do half a tablespoon, that's enough, I think, just a tiny bit more. I'm not going to use chilies in this recipe. And the reason I'm not using chilies is because my babies are a little young to have.
They're not so into spicy.
Yeah, exactly. But I am going to add a little sriracha in, but it really is like a little bit. And it's gives us that little kick, which is perfect.
Yeah, sriracha is not super spicy.
Yeah, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm actually just going to use 1. Okay. If we can cut it down a little bit, we definitely will. So I'm going to just quickly turn these over. Once these are done, I'm going to start sauteing my vegetables. And there's nothing in this pan.
Yeah. It's just by itself for now.
Just by itself, yeah. And it will go back in. So even if we leave it in undercooked, it's going to go back in right at the end. And they should be nice and pink and almost in a soft state. And these will go back in. So I might pull them out a tiny bit early.
They'll cook a little bit more later. Yeah. A little bit
more later on in the noodles and that. In the meantime, let me show you what ingredients I had. Loads and loads of veggies, which I love. We have some red peppers. I have fresh spinach. I have green peppers, mushrooms here. I have carrots. Then we have fresh basil. This basil smells so good. It's so strong and the smell is delicious. And then I have rice noodles that I pre-cook. It took 6 to 7 minutes. So let me just take these out, these shrimp.
I love the addition of basil in Thai food. It's such an interesting,
so good.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Great combination.
Take them out. And if it's chicken, it's 165 degrees. If it's tofu, you can air fry tofu.
I was going to say tofu is demanding in terms of internal temperature.
Yeah. So I'm going to quickly pull these out for minutes. And then also I'm going to put a little bit more avocado oil. You can use a peanut oil, but some people are allergic. So we use avocado. It's a high heat. I'm also going to use ginger. I have ginger here. I couldn't get any fresh, but this is a great substitute.
Oh, yeah. Pre-crushed. Yeah.
I'm just going to put a little bit of my garlic in there. There's 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to put the 2 pieces of ginger in there. So you just get them so it's aromatic, just a few seconds. And then we're going to add the mushrooms. Imagine the mushrooms first because
they take a little bit.
Yeah, they take a minute. You add the mushrooms. Spray a little bit of oil on to get them going a little bit. This is an avocado spray for high heat.
Yeah, that spray is nice to have too.
I blanched my carrots just because give them a little head start. That's why the mushrooms went in first. I'm going to get some nice colours going here.
When you blanch them, what do you do to blanch them?
I actually steamed them. What I did, and then I put like a calendar on top of it and I just let it steam for a couple of seconds.
Okay, great. That's a good way of doing it.
Yeah. And then I'm going to add the red pepper.
I love the different color peppers give things.
I'm telling you, I love coloring food. I think it looks so nice.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Appetizing. I'm going to put this on in a minute. Then after that, we're going to put the noodles in there. We're going to put the spinach right at the end. We're going to put the noodles. The noodles are ready here.
Gorgeous.
You've got all them colors going, yum. Okay.
And those noodles, they soak up sauce really well.
Yep. Right, and then we're going to put the salt on there. And this salt doesn't look like a lot. I'm thinking, oh my God, maybe I should double the recipe. But it really, like I said, it really sucks it in quick.
Yep.
And it goes a long way.
Maybe it's drunken noodles because the noodles are drinking the sauce. The noodles are drunk on sauce.
Wait, so now we're gonna you see how the noodles cover really nicely?
Yeah, it looks great.
And the smell is really incredible.
Oh, I'm sure.
I'm gonna add my spinach. I put spinach at the end. I put those in. It looks like it overpowers it. The spinach goes as nothing. And then I'm just gonna rip my basil leaves. It's gonna rip some up. And then put like a little bit of lemon in there. These leaves really lovely. Put some
lime is a really good flavor in there.
Then these are going to go back. Let that cook for a minute, and then we'll come back to that in a second. The air fried recipe of the week is carrots. I had carrots, so why not use carrots? So I have my carrots here. They're carrot coins. I'm going to put just a drizzle of honey on them and some garlic powder and a little bit of salt. And this actually
sounds really good
too. Just a little drizzle and some garlic powder. And they go in at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. But you can stir them in between. So there, then 400. So that's that. Now, we all heard about the cottage cheese. I actually spoke briefly on it last week about the cottage cheese and making them like a dessert from cottage cheese. This is our snack of the week. I tried it. It's really good. So I have cottage cheese here. I'm going to put the cottage cheese in first. I'm going to blend it first so it's nice and smooth. I'm not crazy for cottage cheese, but you know what? I tasted this and this is really nice. And it's got a lot of protein. It keeps you going. It's a good breakfast to have.
Having protein early in the morning, it's like your body absorbs protein particularly well early in the morning.
It really keeps you full. It keeps you going. It's like you can put some oatmeal. If you're having a smoothie, put oatmeal in your smoothie and that will help you keep going. So then we have a little teaspoon of simple syrup. There you go. And I'm going to put some fresh strawberries in here. And then after we blend it, we're going to just add some chia seeds on the top. You're going to see the consistency is very nice. Now you can see the consistency of the strawberries, really nice. If you put it in the fridge, it's perfect. And that is it. So let me show you how everything comes out. So here is my stir fry.
That's really gorgeous.
Really yep. My strawberry mousse. I put it in the fridge for a few minutes. It's set. It's nice and fluffy with some chia seeds on the top. My water of the week is blackberry.
Explanation of why they're called drunken noodles, that apparently you're supposed to eat them after a night of heavy drinking.
Oh, really?
And it's supposed to keep you from getting a hangover, but don't let that be the only reason why you eat them. You can certainly eat them without heavy drinking.
Do not go out and think you could go out drinking because I made drunken noodles.
Just eat the drunken noodles. They're delicious. I love that. That's really funny.
Let me just take you over like we can see it.
Looks so good.
Yeah. See, everything's come down now. It looked like all the spinach and everything.
It's really beautiful. Better than takeout.
You don't know all the ingredients on the takeout.
Yeah, exactly. And you get to control it. I do spicy a little bit, but it's like the idea that you can control that level of it, like to your own taste, is really good.
Yeah, absolutely. And I like a little touch to it, but I can't eat it too hot. But just add the chilies. If you wanted to add the chilies with the ginger, that's what's in the recipe, but I just left it out. I'm not going to use it.
Yep. Do what works for you.
Exactly. Yeah.